Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. I have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and all you need to do is to enter is to subscribe and leave me a respectful comment. And a shout out to Nancy, Joyce, Maybelline, and Mackenzie. I appreciate each and every one of you. So we're making faux vellum paper. And there's a lot of videos out there right now about this subject, and I have not seen anyone use what I'm going to use right now. I do know that vegetable oil will go rancid eventually, and I don't know if it discolors or not. That I don't know. And I don't know if eventually it will smell funny. That I don't know, because I didn't use any of that. But I did use essential oils. And I have some peppermint oil here, and I'm going to show you how I did that. I got myself little pieces to experiment on, and I took them, and I don't put it on the ink part. I put it on the back part, and it really doesn't take much, and it will go through the whole layer is what I'm trying to say. Do not use super heavy cardstock when you're doing this. It will just take too much oil. But look at there. Isn't that adorable? It is so easy to do. Now, let's just face it, guys. I have tough hands because, one, I'm old, and two, I dig in the dirt. So I have tough hands. If your hands are not tough, then you might want to wear some gloves for this. You might not want to just touch the oil without a carrier oil, and that's what we're trying to get away with. We're trying to get away with using a carrier oil like almond oil or vegetable oil. We're using straight essential oils, and you know, everyone has their favorite essential oil. I just happen to have a lot of peppermint because I love it, and oh my gosh, you guys, it is absolutely adorable and so easy and quick to do. And I'm so excited to share this with you. Now, I put one of these into, if you get too much, all you have to do is get another one, put it right up against it. It'll transfer over. Look, it did. It transferred all the way over to that other one. Super cool, guys. Super cool. It's so exciting. I put one of these in my giveaway journal that I've been working on, and it just makes it smell so yummy, and I just had to share this with you because it's so exciting. Oh, you guys, join me in my next giveaway. Well, yes, join me in my next giveaway, but that's not what I was going to say. Join me in my next video. I'll see you soon. Bye.